Just take a look, guys. So guys, for our toast, here is all we need. Here for our French toast, here is our bread, which is already here. We have sugar, we have cream, we have maple syrup, we have milk, and we have 2 eggs. So I'll be listing everything in the description box below. So guys, keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to start by breaking the egg. Yeah, I'm going to be using 2 eggs. 2 eggs. This is whole cream. You can use any cream of your choice. This is our maple syrup. Sugar. So I'll be adding our milk. Adding our milk. No. A pinch of salt. This is what it's looking like. Just have to whisk everything together. So everything is combined now. So I'm going to be putting it here. Just going to be transferring it, not everything. Okay, so this is what you do. You take your bread. Yeah, my hand is washed already. You can as well use this. Okay, you put it like so. I think it's better with ando. So we transfer it. Wow, look at that, guys. Just take a look. Just take a look at that. Now it's time to take it off. Just take a look at that. This is optional though. I'm just doing it. You don't have to do that. So guys, this is what the second batch is looking like. You can allow it to get brown anyhow you want. If you want it to be so very crispy, you can leave it just whichever way you want. Our toast is ready. Look what it's looking like. Just take a look. Just take a look. This is what it's looking like. You can decide to add more butter. Wow, look how that butter is just melting. Look how it's melting. You can decide to add more butter. Just take a look at that, guys. Yeah, that's enough. And just some extra maple syrup. Take a look at that, guys. Just take a look at that. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.